Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your phone can send standard SMS or RCS without a Google account. Turn off Google Account Sync for messages and grant SMS, contacts, and storage permissions. Next, open the Messages app or your built-in client and choose to register with just a phone number when prompted. If offered Google Sign-In, decline and select Phone-Only Setup. This preserves messaging capability while avoiding account linkage, and it prevents service interruptions as you continue to configure network settings. Once the app is operational, configure messaging behavior and network preferences. In Settings, set SMS as the fallback so messages still send if RCS registration cannot complete without a Google account. If your carrier offers RCS via carrier service, enable it from carrier options rather than Google services. Otherwise, rely on standard SMS/MMS. Make sure APN and mobile network settings match your carrier's requirements, and test sending a message to confirm both outgoing and incoming flows are functional before moving to final steps. To finish, run real-world tests. Send texts, images, and check read/delivery behavior so you know what to expect without a Google account. If problems occur, try toggling airplane mode, restarting the phone, and resetting network settings, then re-verify your phone number in the app. Make sure to export SMS backups regularly since some features like Cloud Sync may be unavailable. If RCS features remain limited, accept SMS as reliable fallback and document carrier constraints to avoid future surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.